Um, Hello, welcome to the second part. We will now try again the push-pull. I will slightly modify the inverter and we should have now more power. And let's get to the setup again and let's make some arcs. Um, we are here now at the setup and again the inverter. It was now slightly modified. I was removed the big electrolytic capacitor and I was add more film capacitor, so we have now a total of 5 microfarad film capacitors. As you can see, the gate drive is already running. I added LED so you can see that it is running basically. Instead we use this bigger electrolytics that are rated for 450 volts each at 820 microfarads, much higher quality than the other one. I also increased the snubber on the transformer to a much better capacitor and also more capacity. We're going to see this is the voltage on the snubber. This will the voltage on the DC bus bar. The oscilloscope. We are set to about 70 kHz switching frequency. That's a bit high for IGBTs, but it works. Again, the same power supply as last time, and going to set the clamp meter to show us the maximum value. That's now just negative because that's just the clamp meter, because on the DC it always has some offset like all the clamp meters, but that will change when we increase it will show us the maximum current. For now it doesn't matter, it says minus 0.25, and we're going to set those also to maximum value, so we'll see the maximum voltage present on the bridge, or sorry, push-pull, the DC bar and the snubber, sorry. And let's now set up the camera different, and we're going to make some arcs. I'm going to now make some arcs here. See where is the voltage? We are now at 60 volts, and let's get more 80. That's better. More, let's go 100. Works nicely. Let's discharge the Flyback because it has internal capacitor. So you could see we was pulled 3 amps at 101 volt. The maximum voltage on the snubber was 170. That's normal that it's higher because of the oscillations. That was the waveform at stopped oscilloscope, so it was the full load. As you can see, it doesn't want to make it. Oh, I cannot read, sorry. Can I? Probably not, I'm sorry. I hope you can read these. That's how the waveforms basically. Still have some ringing here, but it's better. And you have some ringing here. That's when the transistor is turned off, right? Yeah. That's the gate drive. Yeah, that's when the transistor is turned off. We have some ringing on the gate, but that's okay. It's nothing dramatically, so that's all. Should be work very well at again 101 volt and 3 amps. It was about 300 watts of power, and it was a nice arc for 300 watt. And it's a little bit warm, the heatsink, but I was doing before experiments with this. Otherwise, everything else is basically cool. Of course, some of the resistors in the snubber gets warm, but that's normal for snubber networks. And yeah, yeah, I hope I was show everything here. And yeah, if there's any questions, just write them in the comments. Yeah, I was also replaced that wire for a red wire, so it's easier to recognize which one is positive and negative. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you guys soon again. Bye.